When it comes to boosting the value of your Worcester home, few upgrades offer as much impact as proper window installation. Beyond simply improving the look of your property, new, well-installed windows enhance energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term durability, all key factors that buyers notice and appraisers reward. Let's explore how investing in quality window installation can directly influence your home's market value. Enhanced energy efficiency. Worcester's seasonal weather can be demanding, with cold winters and humid summers placing stress on older, inefficient windows. Properly installed windows create a tight seal against drafts, helping regulate indoor temperatures year-round. When windows are sealed correctly, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain comfort, which reduces energy consumption and lowers utility bills. Many modern window options, including double or triple pane glass and low emissivity coatings, can dramatically improve insulation. Prospective buyers are increasingly conscious of energy efficiency. Homes with energy-efficient windows in Worcester stand out in listings and can often command higher resale prices. This makes proper installation an investment that pays dividends through both energy savings and property value appreciation. Improved curb appeal and aesthetic value. Windows are one of the most noticeable architectural features of any home. Cracked frames, foggy glass, or outdated styles can make a property look neglected, even if the interior is pristine. Professionally installed replacement windows immediately enhance the home's exterior appearance, giving it a fresh, polished look that appeals to potential buyers. In Worcester's competitive housing market, curb appeal is crucial. Buyers often decide within moments whether a property feels worth exploring further. New windows that complement your home's design, whether you choose classic double-hung styles, sleek casement options, or contemporary picture windows, can make a lasting first impression. Better comfort and noise reduction. Proper window installation also improves indoor comfort, which directly influences buyer satisfaction in home appraisals. Professionally fitted windows eliminate air leaks and cold spots, creating a more consistent temperature throughout your home. Additionally, high-quality installation reduces outdoor noise, a major benefit in busier Worcester neighborhoods or homes near main roads. Double pane and laminated glass windows, when correctly installed, can significantly dampen sound transmission, making your interior space feel more private and serene. This level of comfort enhances livability, which translates into higher buyer interest and perceived value. Increased home security. Windows are not just about light and ventilation, they also play an important role in home safety. Properly installed windows ensure that locks and frames fit securely, minimizing gaps and weak points that could be exploited by intruders. Modern window systems often include reinforced glass, multi-point locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant materials. A professional installer ensures that all these features function correctly, giving homeowners peace of mind and providing a strong selling point for buyers who value security. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Improper installation can lead to hidden problems like moisture intrusion, frame warping, or premature seal failure, all of which shorten the lifespan of your windows. By contrast, skilled installers ensure that every component, from flashing to caulking, is correctly fitted to prevent future issues. This professional precision adds years to your window's lifespan and reduces maintenance costs over time. Home inspectors and appraisers often note signs of quality installation, which can contribute positively to your home's valuation. Positive ROI and market advantage. According to industry data, homeowners in New England can recoup a significant portion of their investment in window replacement when selling, often around 70 to 80%. However, this return largely depends on the quality of installation. Poor workmanship can lead to air leaks, condensation, and aesthetic flaws that quickly diminish value. In Worcester's dynamic housing market, where buyers prioritize efficiency and comfort, professionally installed windows give your property a competitive edge. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to increase your home's long-term worth, proper window installation is one of the smartest investments you can make. Final thoughts: your windows influence nearly every aspect of home performance, from appearance and comfort to energy efficiency and safety. For Worcester homeowners, ensuring that windows are installed properly is a strategic way to enhance value, attract buyers, and enjoy a more comfortable living space. When it's time to upgrade, choose certified window installation professionals who understand the unique weather conditions and housing styles of Worcester. The right installation not only protects your investment but also elevates the beauty and value of your home for years to come.